the APK and installation from the laptop. So just copy the software. Copy. Go to the setting and the device settings. Here you select the file transfer. And you can see the device, and here under the download section, just paste the new APK file. Which is this 4811,759. Okay, so now go to the handy device and my files, download section, select the file and install. Grant permissions, open settings, open Nemo handy and allowed. Allow. Again, open settings, Nemo handy. Okay, restricted settings. For the restricted settings, go to the settings, apps, app management. Choose your app, Nemo handy. This is Nemo handy. Now select this. Restricted settings. Restricted settings allowed for your Nemo handy. Go back. Open Nemo handy. Open settings. Allow. All the permissions allowed, granted. To handy. Refresh this page and tap here. Tap to select the license. Tap here and load the license. Device reboot required. Reboot the device. So device rebooted now, and now we can open handy. Agree. Okay. So handy is started now. First of all, we have to check if the cloud is logged in or logged out. Go to three. So it is showing no Nemo cloud connection. So you have to log in the cloud settings, general settings, Nemo cloud, login. Please put your give a URL, username, and password, and log in the account or cloud account. And after login it, second step is just go to the settings, general, and automatic testing on this. And then okay, it is enabled. And second option, keep backup, it should be enabled. This keep backup option, and go back and check for the page settings. So go to the page settings and the bottom or in the new page, see if DL max throughput, UL max throughput, and okay, so new settings are not there. So what you have to do, copy this settings. We will share with you this setting to your handy folder here. My files, device settings, Nemo, handy, and then exports. So see, you have to copy the settings here in this under this folder, export folder. Okay, so now we will import these settings in our Nemo handy. For that, just open the Nemo handy, settings, general, and general. We'll see here import export settings. This one. Now import. After importing, you'll see here just import the settings 1 plus 17th May. Okay, so now again open the handy. Go to the page settings. Now you can see here 4 pages should be there. DL max throughput, UL max throughput, latency test, CA sector. Only these 4 pages you can should be there. EL max throughput, UL max throughput, latency test, CA sector. If you do not have a file under this export settings and like device storage Nemo handy under the export folder, you cannot able to import the files into the handy. So make sure you copy this folder settings 1 plus folder into the export folder, and then you can import the same from your Nemo handy. So go to the Nemo handy. From status you can check DL max throughput, okay, UL max throughput, okay, CA sector, okay, latency test. So all 4 pages you should have in your device. And for this serving information, which you can see in the top of the device. For that, just go to the menu, settings, display and sound, and show serving info. Serving info parameters. Select NR parameters. So NR serving PCI, NR serving ARFC, and NR serving RSRP. And go back. Save. Okay. Or go to back. Okay. This is the throughput prefix. If you are getting the throughput in the kilobytes, so you can change from here in megabytes. Go back. Now you can see here all the serving information. So yes, you are good to go with your Nemo handy. Once project is published, you can start your measurement with the maintenance and the sync with Nemo Cloud. After that, you can start your measurement. After, thank you.